Hello children, welcome back to GK class. I hope all of you are keeping well. Today our topic will be air. So take your book and turn to page number 89. 89. We are going to learn about the importance of air and how air is useful in our day-to-day life. Certain examples are given in your book and we will learn them. First one is to breathe. Children, look at me and see what I am doing. What have I done? Yes, I breathe oxygen. And where do we get oxygen? We get oxygen in the air. So children, can we live without air? No, we cannot live without air because we get oxygen and that is found in the air. Look at the next one. See how this little boy is breathing air. Next one is we need air to fly a kite. Children, how many of you like flying kite? Yes, many of you. Some of you like, but then you cannot fly a kite. But then if you try again and again, all of you can fly a kite. Very good. See children, this kite also is moving because there is fan running in my room and the air is shaking the kite. So a kite needs air to fly. If there is air, then you don't have to pull the thread again and again. Kite will fly high and high in the sky smoothly. But if there is very little air, then what you have to do? You have to pull the thread so much to keep the kite flying in the sky. Next one is we need air to fill a tire. Children, if there is no air in these wheels, can this car move forward? No, this car cannot move forward without the air in the wheels. Whether it is a cycle or a motorbike or a bus or a taxi, they all need air in their wheels to move forward. Even this drum truck needs air in its wheels to move forward. Next is air is needed to make a boat sail. See children, what is happening here? A boat is moving because there is air. See, still it is moving. Children, I know you like different colors of balloons. To blow up a balloon, we need to fill the balloon with air. See what I am doing? What have I done? I have blown a balloon by filling air in it. Children, do you wish to visit different countries? Yes. So, you need aeroplane to go to far away country. You can go by ship, but that will take long time to reach. Aeroplane is the fastest mode of transport. Therefore, you can go to another country very fast and very comfortably. But you know, to fly an aeroplane like this, you need air. Without air, this aeroplane won't be able to fly in the sky. Children, go to the next page. Draw strings to join kites to the boys. Color the kites. You have to join the string to these boys and then color these kites. You can use colors of your own choice. Children, use color pencils to color the kites and do this homework in the book itself. Children, learn the chapter and do the homework neat and clean. Thank you.